My name is Sarah McGrail, demonstrating Repulsing the monkey. We're going to start again with our feet shoulder distance apart. Shoulders back and down, tailbone down and under, top of the head floating up. And we're going to start right here. Allow the arms to float up. Then flip the palms of the hands to face each other. So your right hand is on top and the left is on the bottom. So here we're going to drop down the left hand, bring it around, follow the hand with your head and eyes, then fold the elbow, pass your cheek and press it forward right here. As you press forward, feel that there is a little rotation of your torso, dropping the other hand and folding the elbow. Push. As you push again, the opposite hand drops down and your torso rotates. Folding the elbow and pressing, and again, this is for the opposite side. And folding the elbow, following the hand right here, and push. Repulsing the monkey. Deep inhale. And exhale. Deep inhale. Exhale. Very nice. 2 more times. Deep inhale, rotating that torso. Exhale, dropping the hand. Right here. And exhale. The last time. And exhale. Bring the fingertips together. Deep inhale. And exhale. Flatten the hands, inhale. Exhale the hands down, float them all the way down to the sides of your body. Repulsing the monkey.